Cleaning printhead, Brother DCP-T920DW. Press button, Settings. Maintenance. Print head cleaning. Choose the color, black only, if you just need to clean black eyebrows. Color only, if you only need to clean 3 colors: cyan, magenta, and yellow. If cleaning all 4 colors, choose all. Choose the strength. There are 3 modes: normal, strong, and strongest is the strongest. After selecting the mode, click OK, and press the right arrow to proceed with cleaning. Now, you wait for the spray head cleaning machine. After cleaning is done, press the arrow button on the right hand to the color nozzle. Check printer. This color palette is caused by a defective nozzle and clogged ink. During use, don't run out of ink. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel to support me. Love you guys so much.